Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect a Hostinger domain to Render. First, open your Render dashboard. Once you are logged in, go to Projects. Find the project where you want to connect your custom domain and click on it. After that, go to the settings of this project. Now, we will add the domain in Render. Scroll down to the Custom Domain section. Click on Add Custom Domain, enter your domain name, and click Save. Render will now show you two records that you need. The first is an A record for your root domain, which is usually marked as @ The second is a CNAME record for your subdomain. Keep this information handy because we will use it in Hostinger. Next, log into your Hostinger hPanel. Go to Domains, then select your domain and click on Manage, then choose DNS or name servers from the left menu. Before adding new records, delete any existing A records. Now, add the A record. Select Type A, set name or host, and in points to, enter the IP address that Render provided. Leave TTL as the default. After that, add the CNAME record. Select Type CNAME, set name or host to www, in points to should be your Render app URL. Once you have added both records, go back to Render and return to the settings page of your service. Render will check the records automatically and verify the connection. Once the verification is complete, your domain is successfully connected to your Render project. Thanks for watching.